money make the world go round. That's why I'ma keep my head in my bag. Can't let up. Ever, nigga.
Sauce so hard they can't stand it. Drip so hot they really can't handle it. Mind twist to my family. Don't forward that, oh you end up in the box like a mannequin. Red dot, headshot, no panicking. If I act, I'm really demanding it. That's you, if you wanna take them chances. Just know I shoot that cake like a cameraman. Ran down, they gon' need an ambulance. I'm talking right now like ambient. Don't know what it means, go look it up. I thought that what the fuck Google fuck. They got a mask like crash, and when I shoot a K, that bitch scream hot booby. Smoking the real gas, no recreational, this shit ain't pharmaceutical. We got real drink from the pharmacist. I preach to the hood like an evangelist. I'm good to the hood like a philanthropist. I tell them the best policy is honesty and keep their eyes open like an analyst. And ain't nothing wrong with a little cannabis. On my soul, your goal should be to lead the hood about keeping Los Angeles. Like bro, stick to the code and keep it real everywhere you go. Don't bend, don't never fold. Keep that pole and keep them pockets swole. If you need anything, just ask me. I remember me and Wicked G, you chill on the back street with 2 9s in the left. Gotta stay strapped with that 223 on the back seat. Rolling up good goods and booming them niggas and dime back. Got something to say, then at me. Otherwise, shut the fuck up for go upside your head with the Dozak key. I was down there dead, laying on my deathbed. Grandma told him don't pack me. She said a little proud. I woke up looking like I seen a ghost, Scooby and Shaggy. I gotta start doing what make me happy. What make me happy. So hard they can't stand it. Drip so hot, they really can't handle it. Mind twist of my family. Before with that, oh you end up in the box like a mannequin. Red eye, headshot, no panicking. If I act, I'm really demanding it. That's you if you wanna take them chances. Just know I shoot that K like a cameraman. Man down, they gon' need an ambulance. I'm talking right now like ambient. Don't know what that means, gon' look it up. I thought that what the fuck, who the fuck? Like a man's like crash. And when I shoot that K, that bitch through my booby cup. I'm smoking real gas, no recreational, this ain't pharmaceutical. We got real drink, it come from the pharmacist. I speak for the hood like an evangelist. I'm good to the hood like a philanthropist. I tell them the best policy is honesty. And keep your eyes open like an analyst. And ain't no wrong with a little cannabis. On my soul, your goal should be to lead the hood and buy a crib in Los Angeles. Like bro, stick to the code and keep it real everywhere you go. Don't bend or never fold. Keep that pole and keep them pockets swole. If you need anything, just ask me. I remember me and Wicked G used to chill on the back street with our 9s and our left. We gotta stay strapped with that 223 on the back seat. Rolling up good goods, booming them niggas and dime baggies. Got something to say, then at me. Otherwise, shut the fuck up, upside your head with the Dozak key. I was down there dead, laying on my deathbed. My grandma told him don't pack me. She said a little prayer, and I woke up looking like I seen a ghost, Scooby and Shaggy. My brother said you only live once, so I gotta do what make me happy. I only live once, so I gotta do what make me happy.